I'm going to tell you something big banks don't want you to know. Something that makes them billions of dollars every year at your expense. I'm using this exact strategy right now to generate over $250,000 of additional passive income for the portfolios I personally manage. The single biggest mistake I see? People waste their savings. They leave their cash in regular bank accounts earning almost nothing. Maybe a few sad, lonely pennies. Here's what big banks don't want you to realize. Traditional banks give you a savings rate of 0.00 fraction of a percent. You can often earn around 4% in a high-yield savings account. Rates vary, of course, over time, but that's hundreds of times more interest that you can make in a high-yield savings account. How big of a difference is this? To earn $1 of interest at the savings account in a traditional bank, you would need over $10,000 in your account for over a year. At 4%, you would need just $25. So for every $100 earning 4%, you make $4 a year. If you've got $1,000, that's $40 a year of free money. With larger balances, the differences add up fast. If your money isn't in a high-yield savings account, you're losing money every single year that should be yours, not a big bank's. Now, a great question that you should be asking is this safe? You might be thinking, this sounds too good to be true. Is it risky? High-yield savings accounts at FDIC-insured institutions are protected by the government up to $250,000 per depositor per bank. Some providers provide even more coverage. This is the exact same as any normal bank. That said, you need to make sure you only use a company that has FDIC insurance. How easily can you access your money? Transfers to a checking account typically take 1 to 3 business days. Many of these high-yield savings accounts support automatic payments for your bills, making it just as easy to use your money as a regular checking account. It's incredibly easy to sign up online for these accounts. Whether you choose to work with E-Trade, Fidelity, or another FDIC-insured option that fits your needs. Simply choose a high-yield savings account with one of these providers, deposit money. You can start small and add more money over time, and let it grow. Small, smart decisions, compounded over time, lead to amazing results. After watching this video, strongly consider moving your savings to a high-yield account after doing some additional research. You work hard for your money. Make sure your money works hard for you, not for a big bank. Now, if you need a life coach or need some additional direction to help you, we offer 30-minute free life coaching calls to help you get started and get the direction you need to succeed. If you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe for more personal development and success tips. Let's build your future together.